Vacuum cleaner attachments matter. Each one saves time during cleaning. You're probably using just one all the time, and that's a big mistake. Switching attachments will make your vacuuming faster. The most popular and standard attachment is for carpets, and we usually use it for the whole house. But that's wrong. Let me show you how and which attachment to use exactly. Use the small T-shaped vacuum attachment for cleaning floors, but also for chair and sofa upholstery. Dust and pet hair collect on sofa surfaces, bringing in dust mites and allergens, so it's worth cleaning them with the flat nozzle. The round brush attachment is perfect for cleaning lampshades, wicker baskets, artificial flowers, and other plastic items. Its soft bristles gently remove dust and dirt. We often forget to clean inside cabinets, dressers, and shelves. It's easy to clean them using the crevice tool, which effortlessly removes dust and dirt from your closet's nooks and crannies. This attachment is also great for vacuuming radiators, drawers, and bookshelves. The universal dusting brush is ideal for cleaning curtains and drapes. It's very simple and doesn't require taking them down from the rod. Vacuum the curtains from top to bottom, and the natural bristles of the brush will clean them perfectly. Remember to clean your curtains once a month to prevent the buildup of dust and allergens. Regular vacuuming will make your home sparkle in no time. A deep cleaning and disinfecting floor wash for the area around the toilet. Into the bucket, pour a bowl of baking soda. It's a slightly abrasive substance, which effectively cleans surfaces of dirt. It has an alkaline reaction, neutralizing acids and absorbing unpleasant odors. Next, add a tablespoon of Domestos. It's a substance that eliminates 99% of germs. It eradicates bacteria, fungi, and viruses. Another ingredient is dish soap. Pour a tablespoon into the bucket. It's excellent for removing greasy stains from the floor. Additionally, it has shining properties and leaves no streaks. Add another dish soap. Then, add half a measure of floor cleaner. It has a lovely scent and makes the floor shine like a mirror. The secret ingredient is fabric softener. Add 1/3 of a measure. Just a bit of this substance is enough. It has anti-static properties. Thanks to it, dust doesn't settle as strongly. Pour everything with a glass of vinegar. If you want a floral scent to linger in the bathroom for many days, you can add a few laundry scent boosters. Pour 2 liters of boiling water into the bucket, then add some cold water. Warm water cleans much more effectively. Additionally, it activates the cleaning substances. With this prepared mixture, wash the floor around and under the toilet. It's the dirtiest place in the entire bathroom. I do such thorough tile cleaning once every 3 months. The unpleasant smell of urine and moisture disappears. Sprinkle the sofa with salt, and you will never have to pay for its cleaning again. You won't have to clean or wash it as often either. Pour about 150 milliliters of fairly warm water into a container. Add 1 tablespoon of regular table salt to it. Add a tablespoon of dishwashing liquid. Pour in 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Stir all the ingredients until completely dissolved. Pour the mixture into a spray bottle. The sofa seems to be clean. There are no visible stains on it. However, that doesn't mean it's free of dirt, dust, pollen, and mites. Do you sneeze or cough when sitting on it? Maybe you smell the odor of household pets on it? Or do you have allergy symptoms and a runny nose? This means the sofa isn't clean. Spray it with this mixture, and you'll solve the problem. How is it possible? Baking soda neutralizes all unpleasant odors. Above all, it has antifungal properties. It eliminates fungi and their spores. It also kills mites. Using baking soda will make them disappear. Additionally, salt is a disinfectant. Vinegar is very effective against mold. After spraying the couch, wipe it dry with a cloth. It's like dry cleaning. A gentle spray will clean the sofa almost dry, better than many wet upholstery cleaning agents. Wipe your baseboards with this, and dust won't settle on them anymore. This brilliant trick will help you keep your baseboards clean. Everyone in my family asks how to clean baseboards. When dust settles on baseboards and furniture, you often have to wipe them down. Today, I'll show you what to do on surfaces in your home so that dust and dirt don't accumulate as quickly. The first step is to thoroughly clean the baseboards and furniture to remove all the current dust. Then use a small amount of one liquid. You probably have it at home. It's the key player. It will make it so you don't have to dust as often. Prepare a microfiber cloth and apply a small amount of the liquid. Wipe the areas where you have the most problems with dust. How does it work? Let me explain. It's fabric softener. It repels dust thanks to its anti-static properties. You could say it acts like a protective coating. Even if it sounds unbelievable, it's true. You won't notice anything applied to these areas. It really works wonders. Try it at home, and you'll be pleased. I sprinkle it on the old creaky floor. I bought it for a few pounds at the pharmacy. It solved the annoying problem of creaky panels. I wish I had known about this trick earlier. Over the years, wooden floors and panels start to come apart. Holes form under the boards, causing them to move. Walking on the old floor often produces unpleasant creaking. It turns out that these holes can be easily filled, the places where gaps or creaking appear. Generously sprinkle ordinary talcum powder. Sprinkle a lot so that it fills the holes. Sprinkle it along the seams of the boards, then press it in with your hand. It should get into the gaps in the floor. Repeat the process until the floor stops moving. Next, sweep off the excess talcum powder from the boards. This powder reduces friction between the floor elements. Talc is used in industry as a filling component. It is simple and safe to use. Finally, wipe the floor with a damp cloth to get rid of the white residue. And that's it. The panels no longer make a sound. I put a bag over the fan and couldn't believe the results. I had never done it this way before. Prepare a container and squeeze a tablespoon of toothpaste into it. Any cheap toothpaste you have at home will do. Then, add 200 milliliters of warm water. Mix until the toothpaste dissolves. The next ingredient is dish soap. Measure out 2 tablespoons and add it to the mixture. Finally, pour in vinegar. Make sure it's white vinegar. Add 2 tablespoons. Mix everything thoroughly. Get a spray bottle and use a funnel to pour in the mixture you just made. When you take out your fan in the spring, its blades and casing are covered in dust. Spray it generously with the solution. It's very important to clean it thoroughly before the first use. Dust and mites can cause runny noses, allergies, and respiratory problems. The solution will get into all the nooks and crannies without having to disassemble the casing. Once you've thoroughly sprayed the fan, take a clean trash bag and put it over the fan, tying it securely. Then, turn on the highest setting. The mixture will spread throughout the fan and expel the dust. It only takes 1 minute. After that, just remove the bag and throw it away. If you want, you can wipe the fan with a cloth, but you don't have to, and you're done.